Okay, here is my soundbar connected to my laptop. Let's play some music. Not sure if you can hear, but okay, no, it's not. No, it's not. No noise. Let's play it for a second. And it goes